A beautiful morning, Saturday mornings, and we have great fabrics. We have them all at $14.99 today and tomorrow only, and that is a great savings for you. It's beautiful, not a lot of yardage on some of these, but they are just great. I love this, 100% cotton. It's a texture. It has beautiful colors running all through it. Both sides are usable and should be. Has a great selvage, just a wonderful, wonderful fabric. Next to it, because there's some navy portions in here, I did this solid navy. This is a recyclable poly, and I really love the current trends that they're doing with fabrics. Beautiful piece. It could be a lining, but it could be a blouse just by itself. It just has beautiful drape. And keep in mind that polys are what we do wickaways. They're cool. They're not the hot stuff anymore. They're redoing it. Those Italians are just smart as can be. Next we have 100% cotton. Again, a texture, but just much lighter than what this one is. Not much lighter. This is more of a 4. This is more of a 3. You could really do a blouse out of this, even though it'd be a thicker blouse, but a little jacket, a little lightweight jacket would work really well. The clouds, I love these clouds. They just go with so many different things. 100% viscose, so really cool. This is the kind of stuff I live in for the summer. This viscose is just wonderful. $14.99, you guys know, it's just a steal. Love the colorations of this blue that come in with it. Blue is one of the most popular colors sold. And of course we love it. This is 100% cotton. This has stretch in one direction. But you can see the great drape on that. Just so very pretty. And then this last one, just love this floral. Just soft blues, just pretty. It's a woven, it's 100% cotton on this. And it's just pretty. Just pretty lightweight, great summer cool shirt. Would be perfect. So the goal is $14.99 for 2 days. Happy sewing. I know you will. Thanks.